Hi everyone, welcome back to the Declarative Academy, your go-to channel for mastering Salesforce without getting lost in the code. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our growing community of Salesforce enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into an essential Salesforce Trailhead module titled Work with Standard and Custom Fields. Whether you're prepping for your Salesforce Administrator credential or just looking to enhance your Salesforce skills, this module has got you covered. Let's kick things off with what you'll learn in this module. By the end of our session, you'll be able to create new custom fields to meet business requirements and ensure accurate data entry using formulas, pick lists, and lookups. Ensure users have access to the right fields with page layouts. Manage multiple business scenarios with record types and business processes. Maintain data quality with history tracking and data validation. All right, let's set the stage with a quick introduction. Imagine you're the admin at AW Computing, where the Salesforce environment is already up and running. Users, profiles, and access permissions are in place, but there's a need for further customization to capture vital business information. That's where you come in. Your first task comes from Yuko Ishikawa, the head of sales operations. Her team uses the account rating field for sales prospecting, but there's a hiccup. They're not capturing the data correctly because the field's purpose isn't clear. Your mission: rename the field, provide usage guidance, add a new value, and restrict edit permissions to ensure data accuracy. Before we get our hands dirty, let's launch your Trailhead playground. This personal Salesforce environment is where you'll complete all the hands-on projects. Simply log in to Trailhead, click Launch at the bottom of the module page, and keep that window open as we proceed. With your playground ready, let's move on to customizing profiles and objects. Let's set up user profiles quickly. First, go to the Setup menu and click on Setup. In the Quick Find box, type Profiles and select it. Next to Standard User, click Clone. Name the new profile Sales User and click Save. Now, repeat the cloning process for another profile and name it Support User. Next, we'll rename the rating field to Prospect Rating. Go back to Setup and enter Rename tabs in the Quick Find box. Click Rename tabs and labels. In the Action column, find Accounts and click Edit. Locate the rating field and change it to Prospect Rating in the singular column. Finally, click Save to apply the changes. You're all done. Let's enhance the Prospect Rating field together. First, open Object Manager and select Account. Once you're there, navigate to Fields and Relationships. Now, find Prospect Rating and click on Edit. Here, we're going to add some helpful text. Under Help Text, type the following. This indicates the likelihood of a sale being made to this account in the next 6 months. Cold indicates not likely. Warm indicates quite likely. Hot indicates very likely. After entering the text, make sure to click Save to keep your changes. Next, let's add a new value to the pick list. In the Account Rating Pick List Values section, click New. Now, type Not Known as the new value. Once you have added that, remember to click Save again to finalize your changes. And there you have it. You've successfully updated the Prospect Rating field. To ensure that only the right users can edit this field, we need to adjust the field level security. First, locate and click on Set Field Level Security. Once you're in, look for the Read Only box. Check this box for all profiles, except for the Sales User profile. Finally, make sure to save your changes. This way, only the designated users will have editing access. Next, let's create a new checkbox field titled Has Support Plan. This field will only be editable by sales and support users. Start by navigating to the Object Manager. Select Account and then go to Fields and Relationships. Now, click on New and choose Checkbox as the data type. In the setup, fill in the field details as follows. for the field label, enter has support plan. The field name should auto-populate. If it does not, please copy and paste it from the brief. Set the default value to unchecked. Next, provide a clear description and help text to guide your users effectively. Finally, adjust the field level security, ensuring it's only editable by sales and support users. Once you've made these adjustments, go ahead and save to create the new field. Finally, let's create a new field called Support Plan Expiration Date. This field will help us track when our support plans need to be renewed. First, select Date as the data type, then click Next. Next, fill in the field label and field name. Make sure to add a clear description and helpful help text to guide users. After that, adjust the field level security. This allows you to restrict editing permissions to only sales and support users. Finally, click Save to secure your new field. You're all set. With these customizations, Yuko's sales operations team can now accurately capture and utilize the data they need. Great job! Once you have completed these steps, return to the Trailhead module to verify your step and earn points. To wrap things up, let's recap the key takeaways. While we wait to verify your steps, you learned how to create and customize fields to meet specific business needs. You ensured the right users have access to the appropriate fields through page layouts and field level security. You manage different business scenarios with record types and business processes. You maintained data quality with history tracking and data validation. If you found this walkthrough helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the Declarative Academy for more Salesforce tutorials. Have questions or tips of your own? Drop them in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Thanks for watching and keep trailblazing. Until next time, stay declarative.